Hello crafty people, today we are going to learn how to draw a mandala for beginners. We need a piece of paper, mark the center of the paper. After that, with the help of the compass, draw a circle from center. You can draw as many as circles you want. The next thing we need is a protractor to divide the circle into some parts. You can also use half circle if you don't have protractor. So here I am making 10-degree angle. If you want, you can make 20-degree or 30-degree. Draw the straight line from two opposite points. So I am using black micron pen. You can use any black pen you have or any color of pen. So with the help of this grid, start drawing the circles and shapes in between the circles. You can use any kind of shape. Here I am drawing petals. These grids we made helps us to maintain the same shape of the pattern you are making in your mandala. For your mandala, you can draw also some simple shapes. So here I am drawing some triangles. Also I am going to upload a new video where I am showing the different patterns you can use to draw your mandala. can use simple circles, straight lines for your design. You can also add some colors in this mandala. If you're not good at making patterns, you can just simply make the grids, the outer shape, and fill the color in between them. So here is our mandala is ready. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button before you go. Stay tuned until next time. Bye bye.